Hey, what's going on, guys? It's a rainy Monday today. I hope you are doing just fine. In today's video, I'm going to share my 2 practical income streams, cash flow, that work for me. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about money-making apps and sites. So if you don't want to miss one, feel free to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you will be notified. So the first income stream that I'm going to share is affiliate marketing. It is the best way to earn a living on the internet, like promoting products, brands, mobile apps, and become an influencer. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price but can occasionally be a fixed amount. Here are 2 reasons why you should consider doing affiliate marketing. First, low cost and low risk. We all know that starting a business is risky and expensive. Why? Because it means incurring upfront costs for products, employees, equipment, rent, and so on. With affiliate marketing, all you need is a website or any social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. The second reason why you should consider doing affiliate marketing is that it is easy to scale. A typical salesperson only sells products from one company. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. So the example I'm going to show you is one of the few earning apps and sites that will give free crypto to users who refer someone. This is how I'm earning in Telegram. I know some would say that's a very small amount, but man, this is a passive income. I don't need to involve myself. It is money I earn that doesn't require me to do a lot of active work. So I'm earning 15% of each user's earnings from tasks and 1% of Bitcoin Cash they spend on ads. Now, if we convert 0.04 Bitcoin Cash to Philippine peso, it's 1,500 as of today, November 14th. There's a lot more to try, like the online marketplace, Amazon, Shopify, eBay. In the Philippines, we have Lazada, Shopee, and many more. We can also earn from banks, e-wallets. If we refer someone and let's say they verify their account and invest or make a purchase. Again, this is based on my personal experience, not because affiliate marketing works for me will work for you as well. Now, the second income stream that works for me is YouTube. I will go deeper on this one. Kindly note that you can only apply for monetization once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for the past 12 months. Let's say you've hit the requirements 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The first revenue stream you'll likely explore is ads. If you're asking how many views do I need to make money, the number of views I get doesn't correlate to revenue earned. If my video gets thousands of views but no one watches or clicks the ad, I won't make any money. This is because of YouTube's criteria for billing advertisers. A viewer must click an ad or watch the ad in full 10, 15, 30 seconds for me to get paid. However, with the release of YouTube Premium, I no longer need to rely on advertisers to create engaging or enticing ads to earn revenue. YouTube Premium is a paid membership that allows fans to watch and support their favorite content creators without ads. You should also look beyond ads for revenue. You can sell products or merch, work with brands. You can crowdfund your next creative project. You can also let your audience support your work through fan funding. Some popular fan funding options include Super Chat. Super Chat is a feature used when going live on YouTube. It lets you create a tipping jar for your viewers. The next one is through membership. Fans can subscribe to their favorite creators for as little as $1 a month and access perks. With YouTube, what I love the most is that income is passive after the video is posted. As long as my videos are watched, I'm earning. I personally have an old video uploaded on November 17, 2020. It's giving me around $1 per day. Imagine if you have tons of videos and a lot of subscribers. If you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. Also, please do subscribe. This has been Ivy. Thanks for joining me today.